everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Guess what I got in the mail today? I got my Beautylish lucky bag. I was supposed to get it tomorrow. So this is a nice surprise. As you can see, I am not ready to film, but I had to film this and get it up. So all I've done is cut the tape and we'll open it up. I was waiting on it, expecting it tomorrow. This is the inside. I'm sure you have seen the videos. And here's the tag. They do this every year. This is my 4th lucky bag. This year I just got the regular bag, not the XL, because I have so much stuff and I don't want to pack it all. But man, I've been watching videos, unboxings, and wow, the extra larges looked really nice. But oh, and the Jeffree Star ones too. They have a Jeffree Star. The regular come in fair to medium and medium to deep or something like that. So I got the fair to medium. I got paper. Here is what I got. Make sure there's nothing else in here. There's not. Alright, just set that aside. So here is my goodies. Let's see. This bag cost $75 plus $10 shipping and tax. So mine came to $90 and something. And then you're guaranteed at least $150 worth of product. First thing first. Oh, I'm so happy. I got a Sonia G eyeshadow brush. It's what I wanted. I wanted a Sonia G brush. This is the Smudger one. It's a really nice brush. There we go. And I got a bottle of red nail polish from Smith & Colt. This doesn't excite me, but it's okay. Kundalini Hustle. I see that is a toenail polish. Oh, I got fake eyelashes. There we go. I mean, it's okay. It's not like the best. Okay, Hourglass Vanish Stick. I got the Bronze Flash. So far, I've got things I didn't really care about, except for the eyeshadow brush. I've seen people get this. It is a little dark. I don't know. Let's see. Let's put it on my hand. Well, that's not too dark for me. That'll look really nice in the summer because I can sheer that out. It is a bronzer. I can sheer it out. It'll work for me as a summer color. So I'm not too upset by that. I got a Wayne Goss. I think this is I got the lip gloss in Hibiscus. That's pretty. I want to smell it. I'm not really a gloss gal, but it's a little minty. But I will wear that. There we go. I got the Good Molecules Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel. That's nice. Here we go. Always can use a cleanser. And then the last thing I got is a palette. It's the Hen Dash. I have to say, I'm not real excited about this. It's not Beautylish's fault, but it's just not my... That's the cover. I'm going to have to watch some videos. This is what it looks like. And I think you can use these anywhere on your face. Like you can use them as setting powder, as blushes, as eyeshadow. But for me, I mean, it's okay. Should I touch it or... I don't know. I'm just not... I'm sorry. I'm not impressed by it. I'm not happy with it. I mean, it's okay. I would rather have had a Natasha Denona or something else. I have to say, this has not been my favorite lucky bag. I'm going to put this back in here because I don't know if I'm going to keep that. I might just sell it on my Macari because that doesn't interest me. So, yes, let's recap. I got the Hen Dash palette. I'm not all that excited about. I got cleanser. It's okay. I got lashes. I am excited about the brush. That is something I actually wanted. Nail polish, a lip gloss, and this bronzing stick, which is okay. I mean, it's okay. Would I have purchased any of those products? It's the only thing I would have purchased. So this would have been a lot cheaper if I had not bought the Lucky Bag and just bought the brush. But that's okay. I mean, they can't all be good. I've had great ones in the past. This is my first dud. So I understand when some people say, you know, and it's not because I own any of these products. It's because I'm just not interested in any of these products. Oh, I know that's sad. Well, anyway, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.